Okay guys, so I'm going to be talking a little bit about electron capture and what actually is happening in nuclear fission and fusion. Alright, so here you have carbon 11 reacts with electron, and now you have boron 11. Okay, so and then it produces what we call a neutrino. Alright, now there's other types of nuclear reactions. Gamma emission, that's another example. Here you have cobalt, and it gets in an excited state, gains an electron. Now you have nickel, okay, 28. That electron gets thrown off in beta emission, and then now you have a gamma photon with the nickel, okay, and that's where the gamma byproduct comes in that we talked about a little earlier, about how a gamma radiation is a byproduct of either alpha decay or beta decay, okay? Now, fission is the process of splitting an atom, okay? So here you have polonium, and it's shot with a neutron, okay? When this happens, it produces 3 neutrons, then polonium gets changed into ruthenium and tin, okay? And so that's what's happening when you're having this splitting, and these fission, and these 3 neutrons split off, okay? Fusion, nuclear fusion, is the process by which multiple small atomic nuclei join together to form a heavier nucleus, okay? So as you can see, lithium reacts with itself to form carbon 12, okay? And here's an example, a picture of nuclear fission. So you have this neutron which hits this uranium atom, okay? And as you can see, it kind of goes off like this, and then it splits. And it splits into krypton and barium. This is where the energy comes in, right? So we talk about that, where all of this energy, this huge amount of energy, okay? And then this is an example of what we call a chain reaction. So these are all fission products of a chain reaction, okay? So nuclear fusion powers the sun. Wouldn't it be great if we could take this kind of energy and power the sun, right? So here you have hydrogen reacting with hydrogen to form hydrogen 2, which is deuterium, okay? Now you have hydrogen 2 reacting with hydrogen 1 to get helium 3, okay? And then you have helium 3 reacting with helium 3 to produce helium 4, which is an alpha particle, and a byproduct are 2 hydrogen atoms, okay? So, sun balance of fusion and gravity. So here's a really beautiful picture of the sun. Okay, now we're going to move into half-life a little bit later. So next I'm going to show you guys, if you go to the next slide, you'll see that there's a video on the hydrogen bomb, which will explain in more detail a lot more information about fission and fusion. And you'll find it very interesting. It's about a 10-minute video, and then you're going to do a lab following that on half-life. It's an introductory lab into learning about half-life. See you guys later.